moving yards, mad precision. We on the grind, no sleep, endless mission. Crypto waves, no tide, just decisions. Ride or die with the block's ambition. Let's make this money, profits rain like monsoon. Bull up bear, we adapt, typhoon. While it's packed, no room, full bloom. Path to riches, straight shot, no detour too soon. Trading is only as difficult as you make it. Rise, fall, rise again, never fake it. Cold wallets, private keys, gotta break it. Crypto life on the edge, let's shake it.
That's right, guys. Let's shake it. Good Lord, the market. All right, here we go. In 3, 2, and 1. A bingo and a bango. I'm in the charts all day. My goal is to make you money. I provide the information required to know exactly when to enter. I don't give this blanket statement, buy the breakout, buy the retest. Join me every single day, 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, to understand the who, what, where, when, and especially the why when it comes to trading. This is why the coin's dumping. Every 7 days, it's releasing tokens. All right, mic check, 1, 2. Mic is looking good. Mic is looking good. All right, 3, 2, 1, bingo bango. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whatever time it is your time. It's always time to make this money. That's right, guys. It's time to make this money. Good Lord. Talk about a dip. Did you buy it? If you didn't, it's okay, because, well, it's pretty dangerous right now. Now, if you are buying, just know that the prices may go lower. Right now, we're in very, very rocky territory. You could either be a hero, be the person who bought the bottom, that we can brag to everybody, like all these YouTubers do and influencers, or you could be catching a falling knife and it continues to go down in the next day or two. So just be very careful, have a stop loss. If not, be prepared to go maybe 30% lower, 50% lower. So just kind of give you a heads up, be very careful. All right, we're going to make money, guys. We're going to make so much money. We're so close, 2 weeks away, in my opinion, 2 weeks away. And then of course, once the inauguration happens, which is in 2 weeks after that, I think it's going to be a huge boost for the economy. I really do. At least that's what I'm shooting for. So we'll see. We shall see. I want to give a special shout out to everybody who is here. If you could, please put a 1 in the chat. Let me know you're here. If you are a lurker, just put a 2. Just put a 2. I knew it. My battery's dying. Something's wrong with my mouse. Uh-oh, what'd I do? One moment. Let me get my mouse. 1 second. Let me get another mouse. I have another one. All right, so I have another one, but I noticed that too. Let me plug it in, see if it registers it. Now my shortcuts are going to be different though. Okay, is it registering? Yes, okay. Very good. 1 moment. Uh-oh, computer's going crazy. Restart required. Oh, there was an update or something? Okay, hold on. Matrix, you're not gonna get me. You're not gonna get me. So this mouse, it is a Logitech. It's a real fancy one. It's a MX Master 3. So the first one was a gift from one of my viewers. Absolutely love it. Excuse me. It's beautiful. It's great. I love it. Then I was like, you know what? I'm gonna get one of these for my other computer. Now they're a little bit more expensive than a $20 mouse or $5, where they go for. And I ended up buying one. It was a refurbished one, so I saved like 30 bucks. I was like, yeah, you know, I'll try it. It's refurbished. I mean, it's the same thing. Well, you know how I do not like the clicking sounds on the mouse or the typing sounds on the keyboard? Well, this mouse all you do is click, 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 click. So I do apologize if y'all hear it. Wake's wife, Fine 89 is in the house. What is going on? Oh my gosh, it's gonna annoy me. And I haven't had any sleep in like a long time. What year is this? I mean, what day is this? So just kind of give you a heads up. That's really gonna annoy me, all the clicks. And it's gonna annoy me. All right, moving on. Let's see here. We got crypto coin, the mindset in the house. What's up, buddy? What is up? Today Friday? If it is, I might be asleep, man. I haven't been asleep, so I might be asleep. Let's see here. We got Dylan in the house. Doing good, man. Doing good. So happy you're here. So happy you are here. Oh, that reminds me. I'm working on an indicator. It's pretty much done already, but I'm trying to make it look really, really sleek. So, of course, you know, ChatGPT, it helps, but then it doesn't help. And so there's a thing I'm trying to do and it doesn't work. So it takes like 4, maybe 5 hours for me to say, you know what, it's not worth it, or it finally works. So just gonna give you a heads up. It's looking really nice. We got Shuby in the house. Let's stay at work until next year. Look at you, Shuby. That's very good. Duality Crypto in the house. What's going on, guys? What's going on? Can we check out ENA on MXC? Yeah, definitely, man. That'll be the first one on the list. So if y'all have other coins you want me to do, just let me know. That way, of course, I can hopefully make you some money. All right, here we go. Let's get to it. We're looking at crypto bubbles. Bounce. It's only hourly. Starting to bounce. Is it going to last? Are you going to be the hero and say you bought the bottom? Oh, I'm in coins. I got into some coins. 3x leverage, very little money. I told my community, my group, I was like, listen guys, right now it looks like it's bouncing. I'm not gonna post any charts today just because it's very high risk. Now granted, all these other groups, I know they're posting a lot of charts because they don't care about their members, because what happens if they get wrecked? Oh well. But the chance that if this is the bounce, well, now they look like heroes. Look at our group, look at my group, it's not worth the risk. I mean, we're going to make so much money. Why risk it right now? Because we could come down. And that's one thing too. Like, I really do care about my community. I care about their money as if it was my money. Unlike all these other people out here who are just in it for just to brag. Oh, look at all these results we got. But at the expense of their members. I'm not like that. No, thank you. All right, moving on. Let's see here. What do we got here? We got some pluses, but not too much. Let's go to the liquidity map. The liquidity. Let's go to the... Oh, I get kind of kooky when I haven't slept. I'll give you a heads up. All right, so on the 24-hour, we have liquidity up here, 87, 84. Price is 97.9. And then we have some way down here, which is really close, 96K. Then we have another level right here, 95. Then we have another level right here at 94. So basically every 1,000, if it starts losing the levels, I think we're gonna come down. I really do. I've mentioned this to my group. I've mentioned this on YouTube for the past couple of days. It's not looking too hot. Now, granted, do I flip and flop? I wouldn't say flip and flop. I would say, based off the information I have that day, depends on what I think might happen. Long term, it's going up. Simple. But as far as before we get there, are we going to go up or down before we get to the up? But this is looking really, really tempting for it to come down to 96. So I wouldn't be surprised if it goes to 96. All right, so let's go and look at Bitcoin. Let's look at Bitcoin. Let's see here. On the list, let's see here. If you need to sleep, it's okay. Yeah, but you wouldn't. Yeah, I'm pretty sure after this stream, I'm gonna probably take a nap. Hopefully I'll wake up for my 4 o'clock for Piper Academy. But I'll probably just stay up. And then that way I make sure, because I mean, there's been times where it's like, what's that noise? What's that annoying noise? My alarm. Oh yeah. Let's see here. Oh, yes, indeed. Yes, indeed. Let's see. We got Clay the Great. Clay the Great in the house. What's up, everybody? Yeah. Ooh, in the 20s tonight. Good Lord. Yeah, I'm really surprised it hasn't gotten cold over here. Speaking about code, I'll tell you what's been getting cold. Bitcoin. It was a smoking hot, doing all of these breaks of the levels, and then coming down. But it needs to come down though. So, you know, we can't be mad at Bitcoin. Now for this, we had our level here. I think this is like 2 days ago. Put our level here and here. Very high chance that it'll break to this level. Might get support here. But I mean, we've gone up so much already. We really have. And if it does come into this level, I'm thinking it's going to bounce. So I drew this out a few days ago. You know, come down here, bounce, come up. I'm thinking it's going to come up to this level. But it just came up to the box, which is fine. Coming down, I was looking for, and it was yesterday too. I was in longs, and I was adding to my longs, hoping for a bounce here, and then it did bounce. It's like, okay, good. You know, hopefully it'll come down and bounce more, break this high. My longs will do well. No. I saw it coming over here, and on the live stream, I was like, man, I'm gonna have to take the loss. I don't want to. It's gonna hurt. And I took the loss, you know, on air, and it did hurt. I didn't want to, man. I didn't want to, because that was money I didn't want to lose. I mean, because that's why I was adding to it. And it's like, man, looking at Bitcoin, seeing the momentum, you know, more than likely we're gonna come into this zone between 87.3 and 91, and then if it breaks this level, well, then we have all these fair value gaps down here. Look at all this. I mean, this is just a straight shot up. So there's no support resistance right in this area. So I'm pretty sure we're going to break through this really easy. And look at where we're at. We're at 79 already. 79. Now, can we retrace 35%? That just seems ridiculous. 35. Well, we did that over here. You know, from the high to this low was 23. From the high to this low was 25, so a +2. When we were here and it broke this level on YouTube, I was saying, you know, I noticed this and I noticed this. If we add 2, more than likely plus a 2 would be 27. I think because we're right here, I think we might come down. And we could have gone up, could have gone to this range and broke up. And sure enough, it came down 27 plus 2, so 29. So can we go down 30%? Oh, heck yeah. We can do whatever. Bitcoin can do whatever it wants. It can go down 50%. In a way, I hope it doesn't, but then in a way, I hope it does. Because then everybody will be crazy bullish on Bitcoin because they see where it was and it's at a 50% discount. Do I think it'll go 50%? No. 35, I think, will be the max. I'm looking at anywhere between 25-ish to more than likely 30. And then max about 35 if we break these levels. So let's come over here. Let's just look at this a little bit closer. So we did break our anchored VWAP. Well, this is one of them that I have placed. I have a place right here at the very beginning of this run up. This one I have at the very beginning of the entire run up. So here we were bouncing and bouncing and bouncing. Hey, we got Retro Mike in the house. What's up, Retro Mike? I got that for you. Retro Mike in the house. Thank you so much, man, for being here. Appreciate you. Appreciate everybody being here. We got all set in the house. We got a few other people. Shuby, thank you guys. Thank you so much for showing up. Appreciate you. But we were bouncing over this, and then I saw a breakdown. I was like, oh man, could we open shorts? Sure, we could, but it's pretty dangerous opening shorts in a bull market. And we're in a bull market. Like if you literally zoom out, and this is what everybody's doing now, is just kind of zooming out, you know, this is okay. You know, it'd be best if it comes down to here, maybe to here, just to eat up some of this liquidity before going up. So this is all right for us to do. Now, one thing that I did want to show is this. This is the Bitcoin dominance. We were looking at this a few days ago, and it was right here. And I was saying, man, I would love for Bitcoin dominance in the next 2 weeks. It has to do this in the next 2 weeks for it to come up to here right around 60.5. I would love for it to come up here, about 63. This would mean the alts get wrecked. I know. However, just think of it. If they go down 30, 40, 50% from here, I know you don't want to hear it, but now you can buy at a cheaper price and more of them and have it for the run up. We are about to have some insane gains. Insane gains. And so I must warn you guys, write this down if you're new. The first quarter, very bullish. Then in March, you think you're going to the moon and everything, you're strapped in, you got your snacks and everything. And then in April, it comes down, May, it comes down, and you're still holding. I have an indicator that will tell you when to sell. And this is going to be for my group. And of course, it'll be available for sale as well. But for my group, they get it. Now, of course, all these other people who have groups, anytime they do anything extra, create a new group or whatever they do, they're always selling. They're always selling to their people. For me, I've said this from day one, I want to get rich with you, not because of you. So anybody who's a VIP member, any group that we open up, any extras that we do, it's included. Like I said, I'm not here to nickel and dime my members. So, I mean, we're family. It's kind of like borrowing from your brother, but never paying him back, you know? I don't do it. No, thank you. No, thank you. I see here. Thank you, man. Appreciate that. Appreciate that very much. We got Bullish on Parade. What's going on, my friend? What is going on? Yeah, guys. So if you have any coins you want me to do, just let me know. And we already have one on the list, ENA on MEXC. Right now, we just basically go over Bitcoin in the beginning. Then we go over, your coins. There's really no format to my channel. It's basically, I stop what I'm doing. And right now I'm doing a lot, man. This indicator, man, I'm tweaking it and I'm making it look really sleek. I mean, it's already ready, but I'm making it look really sleek to where it's going to blow your socks. Hopefully, I'm building it up and I'm trying not to build it up, but you'll see when you make all these profits, you'll see. And basically all it is to tell you when to sell and tell you when to buy. That's what it is. Based off of the stuff that I teach. So if you know what I teach and you've been taking notes, do you need the indicator? No. Joe, how can you sell your stuff if you don't need it? If you do what I do and I show you how to do all my stuff for free. You don't have to join the group. I show you for free. Now, if you join the group, well, you learn faster. And of course you're going to get the indicator. Moving on. Let's go and let's look at something. Let's go to YouTube. Let's go to YouTube and let's go to ENA USDT. We're going to look at MEXC per request. Let's see here. That was something that I was working on. Let's get rid of all of these. Get out of here. All right. What is this? Stop loss target. Did we do something on this already? And when? I don't know. Delete. Get out of here. All right. So we're looking at this one. We're looking on the daily time frame. Really nice retracements, and then starting to come up already. Oh, that looks nice. Okay. So always zoom out. Always zoom out. So we have a level right here. If I can snap to it. Did I snap to it? Yeah, I did. All right, so we have a level right there. What else do we have? We have another level right up here. I need something in between. I don't want to use this because it's a continuation. More than likely in the 4 hour, we'll find something over here. But right now, it's in between this zone. Here we do have a nice support zone. Does this go further? Let's see here. Okay, that's pretty nice. So let me go ahead and, well, let me do this. So let's go from here and just bring this across. And guess we can do it here. So this is our zone. Right now it's above the zone, which is good. I mean, we have some buying pressure, which is good too. This one looks strong to me. Of course, we do have bullish divergence. We're going to see bullish divergence on all these points. Every single one of them. Let's see here. Bullish on Parade says, Joe, when you said Q1 is bullish and then March forward dump, all my indicators say the exact same thing. Oh, nice. Do you see another pump after that? Maybe September? Yeah. So I actually did this. Which one? I did. I actually talked about it yesterday. What chart was I on? Was I on the ETH chart? Whoa. Whoa. Don't look at that. Close your eyes. Divert your eyes. Was I on the ETH chart? I literally talked about this yesterday. So I strongly recommend everybody watch the shows because I give you so much alpha. So much alpha. And this was on yesterday's show. Yesterday was this one. We're not going to watch it. Oh, we got to do the ad. Come on. Come on. Stupid girl. Girl doing girl things. Right here. At the very end, 52 minutes. I'll talk about this. So this is January. January, we come up. Let me go fast forward it. January, we come up. And then March to April is when we start curving down. That's what we do. It's like the Matrix. I'm in the picture within the picture. And this is the bull cycle. This is what you want to see. So in January, it goes up. March, April starts coming down. Then, wait for it. In June to July is when we start getting the next run up. Very important. Watch these videos. I show you all this stuff. I give you all of the alpha without you having to be in my trading group. 100%. I don't get the J. Get the J. All right, so this is the bull cycle. January starts going up. March, April starts coming down. June, July starts going up again. And then, come on, me. But on all my shows, I give you alpha. All my shows. And I really do love these questions too. Oh my gosh, taking too long. Get out of here. Then in October, November is when we start coming down. So this is when you want to start taking your profits. And then of course, if you have the indicator that my VIP member is going to have, then this is all done for you, literally. And then the indicator also shows you how to buy the bottom. Yep. Buy the bottom, sell the top. That's what we're doing. All right, moving on. And get out of here. Oh yeah. So if you want to be a member, a YouTube member, we do have videos for you as well. We do have member only videos, depending on what tier you get, depends on what you get. The higher tier, the more you get, of course. And then of course, if you want to do the membership, the actual membership, this is it right here. If you have any questions, please ask me questions. Reach out to me on Telegram. Ask me questions. Why should I join your group? No, you don't have to. So that's the wrong question. What are the benefits of joining your group versus somebody else? Okay, I can answer that question. I said, well, we do this, this, and this, blah, blah, blah. I'm not going to waste your time here, though. But so, yeah, that was that. Moving on. All right. Let's see here. A Roguelite says, Joe, do you use Blowfin for trading? Yes. Better than Femex. I've never used Femex, but Blowfin I do use. Matter of fact, it's in my description. So definitely check out the link in the description. If you don't have Blowfin, I strongly recommend it. It's US friendly. So definitely check that out. The link is in the description. So here, going down the list, leave everything is good. All right. See here. All right. We got Dave P in the house. What's up, Dave P? Appreciate you, man, being here. Thank you. Thank you so much. You know what? I think I wasted like $250, $300 for this dumb Elgato prompter. I literally have the screen covered because when I don't have it covered, it shows me blue because the way the camera's positioned or something. I don't know. I literally wasted $250, $300 on this dumb thing. Because what I'm supposed to do is I wanted to have the chat here so I can be looking at the camera and talking to the chat. That's the purpose of the teleprompter. I literally have my camera obstructed by this dumb thing that, I don't know, I'll probably just throw it away. Ooh, so upsetting. So upsetting. Dumb teleprompter. $250, $300, man. And I'm still looking over here, even though I've had this for like 2 weeks now. And the only time I remember to do it is when I'm actually live streaming. Because other than that, I am extremely busy. All right, moving on. Do we have any other coins, guys? Any other coins? Let's see here. ENA. Let's see here. We're doing this. Let's go to the 4-hour time frame. See here. Same thing, you know. Oh, no bullish divergence. We have this looking good, looking strong, looking like a nice little bounce possible. That looks good. Look at that. Look at all that resistance it had, and then it's breaking through. For me personally, if I was going to get into any coins right now, I would have a tight stop. How tight? Let's say if we did enter here, dang it, not even tight, man. 10 minutes. 10%. That's way too much. So for this one, I would do, and 13. If it comes down, it's just going to come down and wick us. Here's what I would do. I hate doing this, man. I hate doing this. I'm thinking about having a lower bid where I would put a stop loss. Entering now as well. Having my stop loss down here at 24%. That's ridiculous. No, I'm not gonna do that. I'll do my stop loss at 10%. I'll get stopped out. That's too much. So let's go ahead and do a stop loss, and let's go ahead and make this a little fancy. Coordinates, right click, copy. Let me know if you can hear all my clicks. Let me know that, guys. I would really like to know if you can hear all the click, 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 click. Oh man, I hate it. Hey, what the heck? What the heck's going on here? Try that again. Copy. Oh, no. Copy. Over here. Go to this. Paste. Why isn't it pasting? Oh. This is not set up since I got the mouse from the other computer. This was not set up for my shortcuts. So I have to manually type. I was like, what's going on here? What is going on? Ooh, you hear it. It's not loud. Okay. Oh. I don't want you all to hear the clicks. You're still gonna hear it though. All right, let's see here. That's one of the most annoying sounds. That's typing and somebody chewing. You know, like seriously? I'm going to teach you to close your mouth? Anyway, moving on. Let's see here. Can we look at Zeus? Yes, definitely. That's going to bother me. I was trying to cover my hand. Not working. Okay, I think that's going to be all for the show. So ENA and then Zeus. And of course, if y'all want other ones, you can do a super chat, but I'm pretty sure by then it'll be the end of the show. Let's see here, Joe, if you want to sell the Elgato Prompto, oh man, I just throw it. Like I would literally just throw it for wasting my time, and it's super upsetting. It's brand new. And so one thing I like easy. Plug and play. Plugged it in, camera didn't work. So then I had to plug it into a USB 3 or whatever. It's like, it's been plugged in that same spot forever. But since I plugged in this thing, it's like, oh. So then I had to unplug it and plug it back in, and then it registered. Okay, that's fine. And then it's been nothing but headaches. Nothing but headaches. How come the YouTubers don't say when I was doing the, I don't know, 10, 15 hours of research, they didn't say anything. Let's see here. One of the crypto YouTubers wants to buy one. You don't want to use it? No, I will literally throw it away. I will literally throw it away. I will throw it up in the air. I'll get one of my pew-pews, and I'll say, I'm not good at this, but let's try. It's either that or trying to get it to work. But the only time I remember is when I'm trying to do this. There you go. Let's see here. All right, so my thought process, stop loss right here. And then my target, it would more than likely have to be, man, that's, I mean, the show's almost over, so it doesn't matter. I'll see what my, man, when it rains, it snows. Guys, when it rains, it snows. What's the saying? How does the saying go? When it rains, it pours, or when it pours, it rains? I don't know. But this dumb other mouse, it's been working great for like 2 years. And then I noticed that it died on me, just died. It didn't give me a warning or nothing, just died. I thought my computer froze. So then I plugged it in and it started working. It's like, oh, okay. And then a day later, you know, after it charged, I unplugged it. And then right now it died again. It's like, ooh, it's defaulty, I guess. It's a very nice mouse. It's the, I bought another one, but this is the one that does the clicks. The MX Master S from Logitech. I love it. Got all the buttons and everything. Let's see here. So let's go for a target. So the target, oh, perfect. 3-1. I like it. Underneath our resistance. That'll work. All right. So this would be our target, and copy, and then make it look professional. This would be our, man, I forget. Paste. And then we got to go to this target. Okay. Very good. And then one moment. Uno momento. All right, guys, I'm back. Hold your horses. All right. Now we're talking. Okay. Let's see here. Oh, I need to undo my, what am I doing? Joe, you're all over the place. Yeah. Okay. I'm moving on. All right, so we do have this one. This is ENA. This is a high risk trade due to this possibly being a bounce area, or could come down and then get a rejection and of course break our support, etc., causing us to hit our stop loss. But we have I want to say it's better than 25%. We'll just say that. Better than 25%. So I think everything is still good. I really can't see anything. I have a big old blanket on my hand that's on the mouse, so you do not hear any clicks. So I can't see my monitor. Let's see. So hopefully everything's good. Let me know if everything's good, guys. Let me know if everything is good. as far as me recording and everything, because I can't see nothing. So that's your first target, ENA. This is on Mexi. I mean, I like it. It looks like it bounced and it broke this area. A safer entry would to be wait for the 22 minutes to go. Man, look at, I don't like it. No. We need to wait for, I don't know what I was thinking. We need to wait for a retracement. 50%, put 50%. It's all good. Okay, thank you. I would do 50% entry because we have a very high chance that, can you hear the clicks now? No, you can't. No, you can't. I can't even hear the clicks. So I would do 50% now, just in case we do come down. More than likely we'll come into this fair value gap. If we don't just automatically just take off. What I would like to see is something like this, where it comes up, gets rejected off of this level, comes down, finds support off of this level, and then now this is good. This is good. This is what we want. Do I think it can happen? Based off of this very steep move, very high probability it's going to come down here. Now, if you wanted to, you could 17%. Right now, people are looking at this as a huge discount. So this may happen. I would just keep my 10%. 10% loss. All right, moving on. Guys, smash the like. Smash the like. That really does help support the channel, and it's free. It's free. So definitely do that. Let's go to the next one is Zeus. Let's see here, ZEUS. Hopefully this is on an exchange. It is. And MXC. Have we looked at this one? Yeah, same thing. For this one, I mean, we really need that pullback. Could it continue going up like it did here? Up, and then barely a pullback, and then up. Yeah, it could. All these coins are going to look like this. All of these coins. And right now, this one is actually underneath resistance. So if I had to pick one, I would pick the one that we just did, ENA, because it's already above this level. Here we're right underneath it, so it's much higher risk. And of course, there's two ways of thinking of this. One is creating up only, which we don't want to see. One thing that we do want to see is we want to see movement like this, where the retracement is at least 30%. At least 30%. But if it starts doing 15, 10, 5, then it's going to come down really hard to take all this liquidity and then maybe a wick to do some of this liquidity. And that's just the hard part about this. You know, you see it coming up, you want to buy. The only problem is, I mean, it can come down, you get stopped out, and then comes up, and then does this, and then now is when you buy. So what I would do on this one is I would actually set an alert. I set an alert right here at this level, set alerts, go to this, we'll copy, then do this. Let's go paste, alert, paste. Okay. So I'll set my alert there. Now, would I enter just because the alert goes off? Nope. I would literally have to wait. I'm looking at the candle bodies. And sometimes it moves fast. Sometimes it doesn't move at all. There must have been news about it or something. Let's go to the daily. Because look at all these little candles that nobody's buying it, no one's paying attention to it, no nothing. And then maybe a group talked about it. People who don't know how to use order books or liquidity. I do have videos on that too. Make sure to check out my videos. I'll say the 1 hour time frame. 1 hour time frame needs to cross above the level. Let's see here. Plugging through it. Through. Yes, indeed. All right, very good. Here. Let's see here. Exactly. All right. Very good, guys. Very good. Let's see here. We got about 5 more minutes, guys. 5 more minutes. Comments, questions, concerns, issues. This is your 1 hour of free mentorship where I literally answer anything crypto related. Is it indicators? Is it divergence? Is it, do I prefer one indicator over another? You know, any question you have, let me know. And of course, I will answer that for you. And, you know, can I just give you charts? Yeah, sure. But I want to teach you how to fish. I really do. That's where my passion's at. My passion is teaching. Can you make money from these trades? 100%. Not financial advice. And if you ever take a trade from somebody on the internet, you might want to consider your choices, really, because like I could be a fake. Matter of fact, I know a few fakes, and they are literally wrecking people. Now, granted, they sell their group and everything else and blah blah, and they have an echo chamber. So if anybody says anything negative, they boot them. So you don't want to say anything negative, but you find out real quick. I have a few members that are in my group who came from other groups that did that, posting a whole bunch of charts just so they can show their results, but they were literally wrecking their members. Literally. Yes, guys, smash the like. All right. So we do this every single day, Monday through Friday at 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Also Saturday and Sunday at 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. We show you how to trade in the most simplistic way. We show you support, resistance, trend lines. And then, of course, on top of that, we also do fib retracements and everything else, because those are areas of support resistance. I absolutely love the fib retracements, the fib extension. You know, there's different ways to use it based off of what you're trying to do. Are you trying to get all-time high levels? Are you trying to find targets? Are you trying to see where the price may pull back to? All this is very important. And, you know, we got some good ones. Let's come over here. So this is happy. I believe we talked about this one on YouTube. And we were saying, you know, enter now because the price was right here. It went up automatically, almost hit our first target within hours. Then it pulled back. Our lower entry was here, and it pulled back some more. Now this one too looks nice to, all these coins are going to look nice to enter. It's just, are you willing to risk it? You know, higher risk, higher reward. You could enter now, not have a stop loss. If the price pulls back 30 or 50%, you just add to it. So that's a thought process. See here, Bullish on Parade says, do you ever use the dual band strength indicator? Not sure what that is. Is that the Bollinger Band? Let me know if that's the Bollinger Band. Let me type that in. Dual band. Dual Bollinger Band? Or are you talking about the Bollinger Band? Are you talking this one? I know there's about a 30 seconds to a minute delay. So if you're asking if I use the Bollinger Bands, no. They don't tell me anything. And what I do is I debunk a lot of indicators, like a lot. So what does this tell us? Well, this right here is the 20-day moving average, the blue line. If it's above it, it's strong. If the price action is below it, it's weak. Pretty simple, nice and easy. But Joe, what if it squeezes together? It's going to move. Yes, it's going to move. In what direction? They don't tell us that part. See here, it shows a positive or a negative number on the top of the candles. Oh, no. Why does it show you that? Is it showing like how far away it is from the midline, which is the 20-day SMA? Is that what it does? And then if so, what's the purpose of that? Just to tell you that it's so far away from it? And if so, why? Because the midline is a magnet? Nothing's a magnet. So this is a moving average. So even with that dual band one that puts the numbers here, I'm pretty sure it's based off of this. And those numbers reflect how far away it is from the midline. So the further away it is, they more than likely teach that the price will come back down to the moving average. But look, Joe, this is what my mentor tells me, and it happened. See on the top of the bottom? Yeah, I think I understand. See here, Harp says, yo, Joe, being here, just working and listening. Thank you, brother. Appreciate you, man. Thank you for smashing the like. Appreciate everybody who does that. I have so many people who do that. Like they're just listening to the show, and I appreciate you. So here, the numbers don't matter. Why? Because this is not a magnet. But Joe, my mentor, says that it comes down, and look, it came down. Boom, in your face, Joe. You know nothing. Really? What goes up is going to come down. Simple trading. Now, this is a moving average. This is the average of the candle body closes. So if we just kind of break it down, if we have price action that does this, the moving average has to do this. I treat the price action as a parent and the moving average as a child. The moving average has little legs, and trying to catch up to the parent. The parent has bigger legs and goes really fast. So the parent can go way up here. And what does the child do? Trying to catch up. And then finally the parent says, you know what? I'm done going this way. I'm going to go this way. And what happens? I told you it's a magnet. It's not a magnet. This could be plus 5. This could be plus 35. It doesn't matter. Because if the price did not come down, guess what would have happened? The price would have gone up. And it might have done this to retrace like it's supposed to and come up. And now this moving average or the midline of the Bollinger Band continues to come up. And then it goes up and then it comes down again, which is supposed to, and it comes up. And then, oh, look, it bounced. You see, it's a magnet. But I thought it was a magnet here. I thought it was supposed to come down. And how far? So what I want to show you, look at this. So here we have this. Look how far away it went before it came down. Now, it didn't have to come down this far, but it just makes sense. The higher you go and the faster you go up, you're gonna come down. And could you have bounced and going up some more? Yeah, sure could have. This is a moving average. It's in the definition. It's the average of the candle body closes. It's not a predictor. It's not a magnet. It's nothing. It's an average. So the price, this reacts to the price. If this goes up, the midline goes up. If this goes down, the midline will eventually start going down. See how it came down right here? Now it's starting to come down because this is a moving average. It's slow. So just kind of let you know, I debunk a lot of indicators. And my theory, okay, but Joe, look, it came down to the bottom band and it's bouncing up, just like my mentor said. Ah, very nice. Very nice. What about over here? And it came all the way down. And oh, yeah, you're right. So let me go ahead and long it because it did this. Once again, this is an indicator that reacts to the price. The price can do this and then come down. Not coming close to this, but it decided to find a resistance here. Now these follow. Then price does this, and now it breaks above. So Bollinger Bands, in my opinion, they look great after the fact. And you'll notice it too. Let me go ahead and delete. Oh no. Oh man, I'm drawing on my drawing. Crap. So let's go to this one. So let's put up the Bollinger Bands. I want to show this really quick, and then that'll be the end of the show. But this is why Bollinger Bands do not work. And I'll show you. I won't just tell you, I show you. So let's look at this time frame is fine. Let's go to the daily so we don't know what's happening. Let's go down here. I don't even know what's on down here. So we're going to go right here. I don't know what's going to happen. Nobody knows. Let's go to the 4-hour time frame. Let's take off our indicators by just right clicking. Now let's look at this and let's have the thought process of using this as a, it comes up here, we short, comes down here, we long. This is the magnet, or so these fake mentors teach, in my opinion. And the reason I say that is because I paid for several of his classes, several. All right, moving on. All right, let me long right here. It's at the bottom. I'm gonna long it. I'm gonna long it. Let's see what happens. Hey, I'm winning. Oh wait. Okay, so let's say I take my profit. Let's say I take my profit here. So I took my profit here. I wouldn't have. I mean, if you're using this, I mean, it's when it comes like this. This is when you take your profit. Okay, so I didn't take my profit. I wanted to. It's getting close. I'm in my short. I mean, I'm in my long. Okay, so now it's coming up. So what do I short now? No, I need to wait for this to go further up. Oh, here we go. Now I'm shorting. I'm shorting right here. I saw it far away from it. Now the question is, look how close it is. It's very easy to see this after the fact. Very easy. Do I short here? Because it's far away from this. Do I short it now? You're going to say, obviously, no. Why? Because you see what happened. Do I short it here? It's far away. It's further away from the here. Or you're going to say no, because you know what happened. Do I short here? It's very far away. Tight stop loss. Man, I'm making money. No. Why? Because you know what happened. Do I short here? Yes. Why? Well, again, you know what happens. Okay, so let's short. So let's say we caught it right here. Let's short. Where's my target? Let's say my target's right here. Target's right here. Let's go. And my target's gonna hit. Target hit. Okay, good. Even though it hits, I'm telling you, this is not good. Could you win and lose? Yes. I would recommend backtesting this. Backtest. See if this works for you. This looks great after the fact. My point is, when you're trading this, here's your bottom band. Let's say the price action does this number. Now your bottom band comes down. Then it does this number to where it's doing this. Now the bottom band is covering, and then it breaks below. And all this time your mid-level is right here. Like, this is reacting to the price. The price is not, oh, wait a minute, I'm at the bottom of the band. Let me go up to my magnet. Oh, I'm at the top. Let me stop and come down. They're not any type of support resistance. They are a reaction to the price actions movement. The reason why the top band will continue going up as the price action's going up. It'll continue going up until the price turns, and then now it comes. So that is the debunkment of any kind of Bollinger Band. It tells you nothing. It tells you nothing but what already happened. But Joe, look, it's tight. It's going to move. What direction? Up? Down? It doesn't tell you. All right, that's what I got on that. Let's see here. C. Long Egger says, I'm in a Pepe Long from 509. I'm up, but have been in long for months. My liquidity is at 0 point. Thoughts? Just have a stop loss. Have a stop loss, and let's see here. I'm Pepe Long. Okay, you did it again. Let's see here. I haven't I can't be stopped out. Liquidity is zero. Just hold. Okay. Not sure if that was a statement or a question, but sounds good. Nice work. Very nice work. Not sure how you can be at zero though if you're doing leverage. There's always liquidity. I mean, even if you're doing unless you're doing like a 1x, maybe. I don't know. But I know if you have low leverage, it's good because your liquidation is very far away. It might not register that last digit because of all those zeros. Possible. All right, guys. But that's it for me. That is the show. We did this for 1 hour. I do thank you very much. I hope that you kind of see what Bollinger Bands are now. And I do have videos on this too. You guys are doing yourselves a disservice by not watching my videos. I have a lot of videos that show you how to trade. I debunk a lot of indicators. And these are videos that are 5, maybe 7 minutes long. You don't have to go through a whole, live stream. Or if you want, you can just join the group. You learn faster, make money faster. You have different levels. If you just want to do the YouTube membership, each tier gives you different perks. But of course, this one is the whole kit and caboodle. I'm working on a indicator that's going to make sure that we do not round trip this, that we do not buy and make a lot of money and then hold and then don't claim any of it. I'm working on this indicator. Should be done in the next couple of days. Been working matter of fact, I haven't been asleep. I've been working on it all night last night, just tweaking it. It's already ready, but just tweaking it a little bit more. And this will be for sale. However, if you are a VIP member, you get it for free. I don't nickel and dime my members. We created a new group that is a new coin listing group where that's where the new money is going to go. Could I have charged $300 for that one group? Heck yeah. Did I? No. I'm not here to get rich off of you. I'm here to get rich with you. My name is Joe, also known as Trade Intuition, where I let you know that my mama raised me right. Morals, ethics, integrity. A lot of stuff that all these multimillionaires don't have because they're chasing that green. They're chasing that money. They don't care about their members. They just want more members so they can buy another Rolex, so they can buy another vehicle, so they can brag how big their closet is or their house or their jacuzzi or whatever they have. They just want to flex. My question is, does that really make you happy? Or what really makes you happy? For me, I love the fact that I can wake up when I want, go to sleep when I want. Now, granted, because I have the group, I'm literally working 24/7 because I'm making sure everybody makes money. All right. That's all I got, guys. I do thank you so much. We'll see you on the next video. As always, let's make this money. Take care. Everything that I say is from experience. This is what's going to save you so much time, so much money, and so much effort. If you want to make money, I will show you how. I would strongly recommend getting the VIP. You're going to make money. Now, granted, none of this is financial advice. It's never hopes and dreams and empty promises, nothing like that. See what I do. See if this makes you money. I give you my real life experience based off of my trainings, based off of my teachings, what I would do at that moment versus what everybody else does, because they want to sell you their course. They want to sell you all that stuff. I show you that my stuff works. Do we win? Yes. Do we lose? Sometimes. That's part of the game. But what I do is I show you all this so that you can see, oh man, I lost today, but Joe said he lost too. So it's okay. That's what I want you to realize, guys. If you like the content that I provide, make sure to smash the like button, subscribe to the channel if you're not already, and leave me a comment in the comment box. And I'll see you on the next video. And as always, let's make this money. Dylan, you're the best. Appreciate you, man. Same thing with everybody here. CryptoCoin Mindset. Appreciate you, man. Bullish on Parade, my man. So happy you're here. Long Acre, same thing. I'm just so happy all of y'all are here. Y'all show so much love. And I'm one of the good guys out here. There's a lot of bad guys. Ooh-wee, there's a lot of bad guys. And just knowing that y'all are here, supporting me, watching the channel, smashing the like, everything else, it really does help. It really does. I'm very happy to be a part of your crypto journey. We are going to absolutely dominate this market with the strategies we have in place. Could you make money without knowing how to trade? Yep, 100%. 100%. Why would you say that, Joe, if you have a group to sell? Well, for one, I'm not selling anything. I'm offering it to you. If you want it, great. If not, it's all right. Now, one thing that I will say, it happens to everybody. Once you make all this money and you think you're a genius, the market changes, you still don't know how to trade, and you lose all of those gains. My goal is to protect those gains, take as much profit as possible, wait for the pullback, which is going to happen in April, May. Then in June, July, we start buying up again, and then we do it all over again. So let's just say we had a $5,000 account in the beginning. By July, it should be 10,000. Then we write it up again, that 10,000 minimum. If we do horrible, that 10,000 will become 20, 25,000. Horrible. If we did horrible, we turn 5,000 to 25,000. That's if you did horrible. On average, we should minimum 5 to 10x our money. Minimum. That's all I got. I do thank you guys so much. We'll see you on the next video. Take care.